Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to teach you how to knit this gorgeous textured 3 dimensions relief stitch. To start, cast on any odd number of stitches. I've cast on 31. Row 1 is the wrong side and it is also the first row of the pattern repeat, meaning we'll come back to it again and again. Slip the first edge stitch without knitting it, then knit every stitch to the end of the row. My 11 Labs subscription ran out, so I'm recording this one myself. Real voice, real mistakes, very me. Let me know in the comments if you like this format. Knit the last edge stitch too. You can do it whichever way feels natural to you. Row 1 is done. Now row 2. This is the right side. Work it exactly the same way. Slip the edge stitch, knit all stitches to the end, and knit the last edge stitch. Row 2 is done. Now row 3. Back to the wrong side. Slip the edge stitch, then purl all stitches to the end. I am using the continental method, but you can use whatever way you normally purl. It really does not matter. Knit the last edge stitch. Row 3 is done. Now row 4, the right side. And this is the row that creates all that beautiful texture. Slip the edge stitch, knit 1. Now, with the right needle, pick up the bar 3 rows below the current stitch. At the same time, slip the current stitch off the left needle. Return both the bar and the slipped stitch onto the left needle and knit them together as one stitch. Then knit one regular stitch. And repeat. Pick up the bar, slip the current stitch, return both, knit two together. Knit 1. Alternate this way to the end of the row. Why do we do this little move? Because if you just place the bar on the needle without slipping the stitch first, the order gets twisted and it won't look right. So always pick up the bar and then slip the current stitch. Then return both the bar and the slipped stitch onto the left needle and then knit 2 stitches together. Knit 1 and alternate this way to the end of the row. Pick up the bar from the third row below, slip the current stitch off the left needle, return both the bar and the slipped stitch to the left needle and knit them together. Knit 1 and repeat again and again. Knit the last edge stitch. Now row 4 is finished and we go back to the beginning and repeat row 1, row 2 and row 3 exactly as before. Row 1, wrong side. Slip the edge stitch, then knit all stitches to the end of the row and knit the last edge stitch too. Row 2, right side. The same thing. Slip the edge stitch, knit all stitches to the end of the row and knit the last edge stitch. Row 3 is the wrong side. Slip the edge stitch and then purl all stitches to the end of the row and knit the last edge stitch. And now we are back at the row 4, the one that makes those beautiful little cells. This time we do it in a checkerboard. Instead of starting with knit 1, we start immediately with the pick up. Slip the edge stitch. Then pick up the power 3 rows below. Slip the current stitch, return both to the left needle and knit them together. Then knit 1 and repeat. Pick up bar, slip current stitch, return both the bar and the slipped stitch onto the left needle and knit them together. Knit 1. Continue to the end of the row. This offset is what stages the bump and gives the pattern that three-dimensional diamond effect. Continue repeating rows 1 through 4 or rows 1 through 8, depending on how you count, until you reach your desired length. And here is what several repeats look like. This stitch is wonderful alternative to garter stitch or stockinette, and you can easily transition into either one whenever you are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment what you would need with this pattern. Thank you so much for your likes and comments, they mean a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.